Hi everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for all of you. And here's a quick reminder that do install our Online Study for You app. On this app, we are uploading various useful resources on daily basis. So do install our app. Link for the app is given in the description itself. So today we have Akhil with us. He has recently got placed in L&T. In this video, he will share his selection experience. So make sure to watch the complete video and do subscribe this channel. It's a humble request from my side and from my team side as well. So Akhil, heartiest congratulations for getting selected in L&T.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, so we are very proud of you. And so now I would like to give the floor to Akhil. So yeah, Akhil.
Ma'am, myself Akhil Balkrishna, currently pursuing final year in Bachelor's in Business Administration, and I recently got placement in L&T with 2.6 lakh per annum.
That's great. So, okay, basically, how many rounds were there in L&T?
Ma'am, there were actually 3 rounds. First, it was computer-based test, and second, it was technical interview, and third, it was HR interview.
Okay, great. So these many rounds were there. So, Akhil, can you please tell us that how you prepared for the first round, that the computer-based test?
Ma'am, actually, I was very pretty much confused with how should I prepare with the exam, and I recently means I just go through your channel online study for you, where I just got through a couple of videos. I watched a couple of videos and also spent some 40 to 45 minutes, and I got to know about your course and curriculum, and I studied with that materials which were really helpful for me, and it consisted of quantitative and verbal reasoning. The questions were very easy just because I took your course.
Thank you so much, Akhil. And that's our main motive. We always want the students to do their best no matter like how the situation is. And basically, the credit goes to, as you are saying, to Online Study for You, but mostly it goes to your efforts that you gave. And that's why you got selected. So again, congratulations. So Akhil, like,
Thank you.
was there any negative marking in the questions?
No, ma'am, not any.
Okay.
Yeah, no, not any kind of negative marking, but there were some means if you attempted one question, no, we cannot come back to that question again. That
Okay.
was one of the problem.
So, like, how long this test was? Like, it was 2 hours, 1 hour, or so?
It was around 60 minutes, 1
60
hour.
minutes. Okay. So, do you think that along with accuracy, speed also matters? So, was speed an issue in this test also?
Not, no, I don't think any kind of issues are there.
Okay.
But if you attempt one question and if you say next, then you cannot come back again and revise with that kind of question. And also, per section has 10 minute time.
Okay.
So you should complete the questions in that 10-minute time frame only. You cannot come back again and solve that questions. So, so that was.
So basically, Akhil want to say that timing also was an issue because see, most of the students will be able to do the question, but there is a time constraint that you have to follow. So always remember that when you are attempting quantitative or reasoning or English part, give matter to time as well along with the accuracy. So that is the thing that he wants to deliver. Now, Akhil, so what was the level of questions like? Were they easy, moderate, or difficult according to you?
Ma'am, according to me, it was moderate, not easy, not so hard. I took courses on online study, no, so that was pretty much moderate for me.
Okay. So like how do you think like the questions that we do discuss in our course, so are these questions were helpful to you in your L&T exam?
Yes, it's 95% helpful for me. Actually, it was very helpful, and and it really helped me in my journey.
Okay, that's great. Even okay, so this was about your quantitative part, like when it was consisting of quantitative reasoning and verbal. So, so basically, where did you got the mail from the company side regarding that you got shortlisted for the technical interview? After how many days?
Ma'am, it was after how many days? Like 2 days. After 2 days.
Okay, so you must be happy, right? So that you got
Yes.
shortlisted.
Yes.
Yeah. So
I was
how
happy.
you prepared for technical interview? What was your strategy?
Okay. So first of all, I did a search on YouTube, where I found your videos, and last time that sir uploaded a video on LTI interview experience. So I just go through that videos and got to know that this kind of questions were asked in the interview. So I also took your materials and started preparing on that, and that was really hectic for me at that time, but online study for you helped me in that. And after
Thank you
that
so much. Thank you. Yeah, it really
after
matters when.
that it was very easy after that.
Okay. Yeah, it's really great when you got the appreciation for the work you do. So thank you so much, Akhil. That's why students who are watching this video currently, make sure to subscribe this channel. Like as Akhil got his dream company, even you can do it by our efforts and by your efforts as well. So make sure to subscribe the channel. So okay. So when was your technical interview scheduled, Akhil?
Ma'am, technical interview was scheduled on date 16th of February, and uh, I got again mail after uh, that technical interview.
Okay. So, how long was the technical interview? And can you please share the questions so that it can be helpful for the students?
The technical interview was around 10 to 15 minutes. Most of the questions were based on DBMS, which is Database Management System. And the questions were like, what is DBMS? What is primary key? Does primary key have null values? And what is polymorphism? What is inheritance? And that the most technical part were there. Whole.
So, did they ask you to write any sort of code as well, or like any coding? Did they ask you?
No, no, they didn't ask me, but my some of my friends do. They asked some of my friends.
Okay. So, it was on campus or off campus for you?
It was off campus interview.
Okay. Okay, great. So that is the thing. Basically, in short, the students to all the students who are watching the video currently, I want to say that for any interview you are applying for any company you are applying for, OOPS is a very, very important concept. So make sure to revise all the concepts regarding OOPS. DBMS, this is also a major subject, and usually company do ask question on it, to revise all the things on this as well. And most of you must be having interview of Wipro as well. So that can be a tip from Akhil's side. Thank you so much for sharing this. So you can prepare all these things, because definitely no matter what the company is, they are definitely going to ask you questions based on these topics. So revise all of them, right? So, okay, how was your interview according to you? Like, was there any question you were not able to answer?
Yes, there were questions like he asked me what is procedure,
Okay.
which were confusing for me, and I said I don't know.
Okay. So what do you think? Like, if any student doesn't know the answer, so he should make stories right there. He should make any kind of uh, false answer, I should say, or just simply say that, sorry, sir, I don't know.
Yeah, simply say I don't know, because that will means that will help him.
Okay. So this can also be a tip for all the students, that if you don't know the answer, it's not a time to make stories. Simply say that you don't know, because the one who is interviewing you is definitely holding some sort of experience, right? So thank you for sharing this as well. So, like, for according to you, it went well in your TR, right? So, I was you sure that you will be selected for HR round?
No, I am not sure of, because he also gave me a situation. Means he said me if your superior give you a task which you cannot do and said you to achieve it in 2 hours, then what will you do? And I answered him, I said, I will first of all check whether the task is achievable or not. If not, then I will ask my superiors, and they will help me out, and I will try to do that. Then after that, he asked me, why don't you ask your own superior who gave you task? Then I said, yeah, means I was confused at that time, but I think I thought that this was means this kind of mistake should not occur in.
Yeah. So
So
even
I think that mistake.
yeah, please continue.
I thought that mistake will cost me. So
Okay, so yeah, these sort of situations can be sometimes, confusing for the students because randomly they are throwing such kind of question. Even I can also be confused that what to say at that time. So obviously, these sort of questions, we always make sure that prepare as much as you can because at the instant, replying them is kind of a difficult job. So this can all the students prepare for such sort of questions because definitely they can ask you these sort of puzzles, one or two. So be prepared with this sort of questions. But I think that the way you must have answered, the confidence you must have holding, so that is the reason you got selected for HR round. So when you got the mail regarding that you are selected for HR round, yeah.
yes, after 1 day, after 1 day,
Okay, after 1 day. So like when was it scheduled, like what was the
next
time?
day I got timing was around 5 o'clock in the evening.
Okay. So how long was that interview, HR1?
HR was that interview was around 4 to 5 minutes. That was very short interview.
Okay. What were the questions? Can you please share?
She told me to introduce myself, and after that she told me to describe your family, and she asked me how to. I mean, she asked me to express yourself in 3 adjectives, and yeah, that were the questions. That 3 to 4 questions were there only.
What the answer you gave for this one, that describe yourself in 3 adjectives?
Like, I am creative, I am enthusiastic, I am motivated.
Okay, that's great. So how was your HR experience? Like, how does it went?
HR was very simple as compared to technical,
Okay.
because it was really simple.
So at the last, I would like to ask that do you have any tip or any suggestion for our students that how they should prepare and how they can be a part of L&T? Please share.
First of all, you should refer the materials which were available in online, like Cube online study for you helped me a lot. So you should go for that. And second thing is that you should be really confident what you are saying, trying to say at the interview. And third thing is that you should be very confident about what you are writing in your own resume, because he may be asking you about your resume when you say I don't know to some kind of answers means. And fourth tip is that yeah, you should go for like quick questions available in online study for you, where you can learn very much great.
Okay, that's great. So basically, in short, Akhil would like to say that be confident and revise all the important things, all the mostly asked questions, and definitely it is going to be very, very helpful for all of you. So Akhil, thank you so much for being at our platform, and it was great to have you here. And I hope that you will keep doing like this and keep making us proud. Thank you so much, Akhil, and Bye bye.
It was pleasure, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.